Now my colleague NBC 10's Maddie Heims has been looking into the impact that all this snow has had on the response here. Maddie?
Well, Brian, we heard there from neighbors helping not only the victims but the first responders here across this neighborhood. Snowbanks are shoulder height, the streets completely covered in snow and slush. Fire crews telling us these are really difficult conditions to respond in.
Looks like we have a total house explosion, heavy fire. Still investigating.
A home explosion in Taunton.
Obviously, we're recovering from a blizzard. The roads are lousy, the streets are narrow.
Posing a challenge for first responders, as roads across New England are still snow-covered, slick, and in some cases, even impassable.
Police department's having trouble getting around town. We're having trouble getting around town.
And on scene at Plain Street, snowbanks 3 feet tall cover fire hydrants completely.
Taunton Fire Department couldn't find the hydrant, so I went on Google Earth. I found out which house had the fire hydrant in front of it, gave them my shovels because they're on scene now.
At a house fire over in Attleboro, the same story.
In a case like this where we're trudging through the snow and we can't find hydrants, time to water can be in excess of 10 minutes. Which was the case today.
As firefighters dug out frozen hydrants on Thatcher Street this morning, only able to find a water supply on the 5th attempt.
Frozen or buried. 4 frozen hydrants. They got the 5th hydrant and were able to establish a water supply. And then from that point on, we were routine operations.
Leaving crews seconds or even minutes behind when it matters.
And everything we do on the fire ground is based in a time frame. The faster we do it, the better the problem gets, quicker.
Now, despite those conditions, crews were able to put out the fire here in Taunton. Like Brian said, buildings on both sides damaged, 2 people in the hospital, and the investigation into the fire now beginning. Gina Patrice,